Hi. You do have this sheet link. Keep it as a template. So don't share this sheet with anyone. Just keep in your drive as a master copy. So while we will need to copy this sheet, so you need to click File and make a copy. So when you click Make a copy, then you can select in which drive in your Google Drive, which folder you want to keep this file. So you need to select from here. At the moment, I'm just saving it to my drive and then press OK. Once you press OK, then a copy file will generate. So you can see this file name is copy and it's just identical of the master template. Then you need to rename it as per your client, and then you need to share to the specific people. So in here, press share. So you can add people here and allow them the access level. So once you just put the user's email ID here, I'm just put it here, and then you need to select is the editor or comment or viewer. So you need to put editor, and once you put the editor and send, then the selected selected person will receive an email with this sheet link. So you can add the specific people, and other people will not able to access the sheet if anyone get the link but cannot access the sheet. To make this, you need to change here. So you can see restricted only people added can open this link. So you can understand only the selected people can access this sheet. And to get the link of the sheet, you directly copy here, or alternatively, once you click the share, you can just copy the link from here. Copy link, then the link will copy it. You can find it. And alternatively, you will have the owner. Once you copy the sheet, you will become the owner of the sheet, and user can start using the sheet, and user will have only the access here. So next, once you again uh, need to give this sheet to another person, just follow this process. And I hope you can understand the process. Please let me know if you have any confusion or any comments or any questions. Thanks.